Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Revuelto and this is by CCA. This is from the premium series and you can see the scale here 1 is to 64 up to 3 inches. I really want to understand what this particular sentence means. I mean up to 3 inches. So if you guys are well versed about this kind of things, please drop it in the comments. I will learn from there. So it will be easy for me to talk about this in the next video. So yeah. So with that said, here is the box and box art as well. So it looks really nice. I mean, they are doing the similar thing as Majorette does nowadays, and they are keeping it really simple. So I personally like this. So let me just open it. So I recently bought this Burago Revuelto as well. I bought two castings actually, Revuelto and Terzo Millennio, because I never saw Terzo Millennio in 1 is to 64 scale by any brands which released in India officially. So the moment I saw that, I went ahead and bought it. So I saw that casting and it has some opening parts and all, but it looks good. But I mean, we will do a review on that separately. But I do have Revolto on by Tomica as well. I didn't peel this fully. Okay. Tomica, okay, so Tomica is also there. So Tomica one is like pretty basic, like you imagine. I mean, because that is a mainline version which I bought. Oh my god, that is very tight. I don't know why this is not ripping out fully. See, it is coming in installment basis. That is actually stuck. Let me get my knife. Okay. So I'm just diving straight to it, guys. I don't want to waste any time. Again, nothing inside the box except for this small, card. I absolutely don't understand anything on that card. So, so let it be. So here is the casting itself. Wow, it does look really nice. I mean, it has headlight detailing. You can see the Revolto badging here. That is really spot on. And the Lamborghini badge here, and even the Italian flag here, the pinstripe. You can see the interior. That looks absolutely beautiful, and it has rear view mirrors as well. So you can see the engine detailing here. I don't know if you can open this. Let me try it out because it feels a little bit, maybe not, I guess, because some other cars actually had some opening part. Maybe I need to try this. Okay, that is not coming. I don't want to break it. Okay, so you can see the engine detailing here, but it doesn't have the Lamborghini badging there. So it is supposed to show that Lamborghini lettering, like Lamborghini, like this way and the opposite way, in these two, that engine heads. So this piece is actually moving, but it is not openable because okay, and I am not seeing any latch kind of mechanism there to open it. Okay, let it be. So you can see the exhaust detailing here, that looks really nice, and it has tail light details also. See, headlights and tail lights both are painted. I think I missed to say this during my previous video of Aventador. So those are painted detailing, not acrylic. And as usual, so this is fully made of metal body, metal chassis. You can see here the chassis has really nice detailing to it. So I'm hoping that this is how the actual Revolto's chassis looks like, because they actually nailed it with this Aventador. So even the rims on this one, this looks unique to this specific casting. I'm really happy about this. So you can see the wiper detailing here, and let's see if it has suspension. It does have suspension, that is really awesome. So I'm really falling in love with this particular version of CCA more and more. Okay, here. Okay. So the headlight part here, what they did was, that is actually a silver paint, but that is like a kind of a chromed. I mean, it's a chrome paint, to be very honest. It's not. That's how I am supposed to say that. You can see the grill detailing also here. I really love the way they actually went with multiple parts for this specific setup. Looks really good. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 39 grams, not bad. So the lines on this one, it actually looks absolutely gorgeous. I might need to do a comparison video, between this and the Burago version. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Doesn't roll really well. It rolls, but doesn't roll really well. But I'm really happy they are actually giving a free rolling wheel. You can actually play with it like this, but you can't expect it to perform well on track. So even the interior and everything is actually unique to the specific car, so that is really nice. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, you might know right now what I'm going to give the give for this particular car. So it's a 10 out of 10 from my end. So that I don't see any necessity to reduce any points here. So it has some scratches on the windshield. Again, that is more specific to mine. Yours might not have. So these kind of either paint issue or um, scratches on the windshield, we usually ignore because again, this is not something repetitive in all the castings. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.